Welcome to AMPRE Engineering Private Limited, Green Signal for Technologies. AMPRE is an Indian startup established by research scholars in collaboration with reputed professors from IIT Kharagpur, NIT Rourkela, and other national institutions. We are committed to motivating young minds for constructive designs through additive manufacturing. Our mission is to adopt technology that ensures no waste, no pollution, and no adverse effects on our ecosystem. Services and products. Specializing in 3D and 4D printing materials like thermoplastics, metals, ceramics, and composites, AMPRE creates complex, customized designs with high precision. Our cutting-edge 4D printing materials can change shape or properties in response to stimuli, enabling dynamic, adaptive structures for applications in medicine, architecture, and robotics. Industries. We proudly serve various industries including aerospace, defense, healthcare, automotive, robotics, and drone technology. Key projects and achievements. Our portfolio includes notable projects such as the 3D printed aero turbine blade, 3D printed aero fuel nozzle, dental crowns created on 3D printers for metal, and 3D printed kneecaps for knee replacement surgeries. Team and expertise. Our leadership team comprises industry experts such as Dr. Ajit Behera, our director and lead material scientist, and other distinguished directors including Jitesh Sharma, Saurabh Agarwal, and Sasmita Malik. We continually push the boundaries of technological advancements. Our innovations include the use of micro-lattice structures for internal cooling in turbine blades. This breakthrough reduces weight, enhances cooling, and improves mechanical properties, making our products suitable for the most challenging environments. Turbine blade prototype details. One of our standout innovations is the aero turbine blade using micro-lattice structures. This low-weight turbine blade with optimized material composition and micro-lattice structure is designed for optimal cooling and efficiency.